request from the last videos, we came to know that most of the people are currently learning full stack development. So we have decided to just like help all these guys to improve their skills and to learn from the basics, from the HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript, and then technologies such as frameworks and libraries such as React, Angular. So in this from this video, we will be directly jumping to the questions that are asked in the interview, or we can say that are you will face these questions when you are making any project or like any website or anything. So I have decided, like, I have just created a list of few questions for this video, and like I've just taken basic questions of HTML for this video, and we will be solving these basic questions in this video. So starting from the first thing, like this is the first question, which is example of geeks for geeks, and the second one is like a basic list. Third one is also a basic nested list. It is also an example of nested list, and yeah. So let's start solving these questions, and yeah. So first of all, what we have to do is like when we have to make this list. So first thing is like we will be creating a basic boiler template, like a basic template for our, and we will be renaming it to just assignment one, or we will be renaming it to solutions. Yeah. After that, just go and write this heading, which is welcome to geeks for geeks geeks learning. Okay. So this is done, and yeah. So let's have a live thing, like, is it created or not? So let's see it live. Yeah, it's done. So welcome to geeks for geeks learning. Now what we have to do is we have to create this list. Okay, so it can be, yeah. So now we have created this list. Now the second thing is we have to create all this part. Okay. So we will be going on the second part. So here we will be writing list of available courses, and after that we need to create a list. So the lists are created by, first of all we have to see this is this an ordered list or unordered list. So this is an unordered list. Okay, so we have to create an unordered list. After that, list item. So how many list item are there in the first list? One, two, three, four, four. Okay, so go and just copy all these, one, two, three, four. Okay, now just enter the details. Data structures and algorithm, shares and algorithms, algorithm. Okay, algorithm. Okay, spelling is also right. Now one is aptitude and logical reasoning. Okay. The last one is programming languages. Programming languages. Okay. So we have done with the first list. So now you can see that by default it is just showing this round black bullets. Okay. And so yeah, we have created the first list. So this is it. Now for the second list, what we have to do is we have to just again go and first enter this data structures topic. Okay. Here's topics. Now this is an ordered list. Okay. So from 1 to 6 it is giving an order to all the elements that we are going to enter in the list. So we are going to create an ordered list. Now how many elements are there? There are 6 elements. So we have to create 1, 2, and 3, and just go and copy paste this now. So 6. Now you can see that by default it is just giving a list, a number, and listing from 1 to 6. So that's good. Now just enter the data array linked list stacks queues yes, trees and the graphs. Okay. So as you can see that our list and our first assignment is done, and it didn't take much time. So here it is. Welcome to Geeks for Geeks Learning. List of available courses. All the courses are listed here with an unordered list. And the second is data structures topic, which they are listed here with ordered list. So we have done with the first assignment. Now we have to see the second assignment. The second assignment is okay. This is our second assignment. Okay. So what we are going to do is now in this just enter a break line. Now just enter a BR so that we have good space doing our things. Now here just analyze what is this. So this is the first basic heading given to the list. Now this is a nested list. Okay. So how the nesting is done? The nesting is done like in an nested way, like okay. So first the elements are written and then basic new direction bigger and okay, all the things are added in this. So yeah, what you can do is just go and type the heading first in a mannered way. So list of Indian states with their capital. Okay. Now the second thing is make a list, which is a now here what the thing is, the catch is you have to first enter the ordered list, and inside that you just need to create the unordered list. Okay, so create an ordered list first. How many elements are there in the ordered list? So there are 6 elements. uh, So just go and write this elements first. Delhi. Second is Haryana. Haryana. Third is Gujarat. Gujarat. Rajasthan. Maharashtra. And our favorite Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so now this is done. Now what we have to do is we have to create an unordered list individually and create a basic list item all new Delhi. Okay, so this was the thing. Now just copy paste all these things and here you enter Chandigarh. Chandigarh. Okay, here you enter Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar. Okay, here you enter this Jaipur. Okay, now here enter Mumbai. And last here you enter Lucknow. So as you can see that first the heading is done, second an ordered list is done, Delhi, Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Second an unordered list which is given in a nested way, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Gandhinagar, Jaipur, Mumbai, Lucknow, in a nested way it is done. So we have completed our second assignment also. Now it's time for the third assignment. So here it is third assignment. Okay, so again go and just enter a BR tag in the last. Okay, now what is given in this assignment, third assignment? So again an heading is given, an ordered list is given, and nested this elements are given. The catch is now the bullets are changed here. So here it is square, here it is like disk type, and here it is just a basic without any boldness. Okay, so let's first create the basic structure. So yeah, one more thing, you can enter a horizontal line instead of BR. So instead of BR you can enter HR. Yeah, okay, so now let's first type the heading, which is nested list. Second is our ordered list with 3 elements. One, two, three. In that we have an unordered list. Okay, with again 3 elements. So yeah, array. Okay, so it was sitting here. Now just go and just copy these items 2 times and just enter the elements what you need. So first is show who needs chocolates. Okay, now inside it you just need to enter dairy milk. Okay, second is Bonville, POU, NVILE, Bonville, then Munch, and yeah, so in a second, you just copy all these things again to the second list. So this is done, right? Now it is games, and the thing is games are cricket, hockey, football. Okay, so I have created now. Again, just enter this for the third list, and in the last we will be changing the bullets. Okay, bullet thing. So just go into this list, enter fruit, 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 then just put all these elements here also. Okay, so apple, orange, and last grapes, GIPES, grapes. Okay, now what we have to do is we just have to see how these bullets are changed. So for that, now not everyone can remember this thing every time. So go and just search on the web bullets, type in list HTML. So here it is. Yeah, so we want this one, right? So this is taken by, okay. So as you can see, by just entering this particular thing, style equals to list style type square, just copy paste in your code in the first ordered list. Okay, sorry, unordered list here, or you can just have this style type, and then you can here select square. See, we are facing an error. The error is Now the error is, you just need to refresh this. Yeah, so it's done. There was no error, like we just needed to refresh the thing. So we are done with the first bullets thing. Okay, now the second is, it is normal our disk thing. So where are our black disk? So just enter this same command there also. Style equals to this style type. Okay, and there you enter circle, square, or disk. Okay, so this is disk. What? Circle. Again, go and just refresh. So it's not showing. It's not showing the disk thing. DIS. Okay, okay. Sorry, I was entering the wrong spelling. DISC. It is DISC. So DISC. Okay. So we are done with the second thing also. Now in the last thing, do the similar thing. So go and just type style, list style, and then type. Now, since it is automatically given here, but for this to remember this particular thing, just go and enter यहाँ circle. Okay, so it's done. By the way, like we don't need to enter this because by default only it's coming, but for learning purpose we have just entered it. Okay, so here we finish our third assignment also. Okay, now the fourth assignment is, the fourth assignment is also similar, so it is just a basic. Okay, so for practice what you can do is go and just create order test first. Order test is done. After that, do list items in a similar way, like we have done these questions, these type of questions before, so it is just a similar example. Now what you have to do is like just enter website structure, structui structure, and in similar way enter website type, website type here. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to nest this particular with unordered list and 3-4 list items, four list items. Okay, 3-4. So here you enter linear, here you enter tree, here you enter web, length, and IBRIP. Okay, so we are done with it. And for the second thing also, you just need to copy the structure. So the structure is unordered list with two list items. Okay, so go and just type this. Okay, now just enter static dynamic. So we are done with one. Now just go and change their style which is the we are doing this as inline CSS, inline styling. So style, and then this style again, this style type. Okay, what is the type? What is the type? So it is again square. So it has changed now, and in a similar way we need to change the styling of style, list style type. Now it is Roman number, right? So for that we need to, yeah, lower Roman, select lower Roman. Okay, so it is done now. So here guys, we finish our fourth assignment also. Now it's time for the last assignment, and the last assignment is again a similar one. Okay, again a similar one. So if you are able to see this, so first is title, unordered list, and again unordered list in the same way. Okay, so we will be completing this fatavat. Okay, so what we have to do is just go, okay, so just go and make list of hobbies. We rendered this unordered list with two list items. Indoor hobbies, and the second one is outdoor hobbies. Okay, so indoor hobbies, then outdoor hobbies, and then we have to again create a nested list, which is list items, unordered list. Okay, with two list items. So one list item is here, the next one is here. Okay, so just enter your yoga and what work, copy this same statement and paste it in the next here. So hunting and camping, P-I-N-G, done. Again at last, first of all, in this we don't need to change, it is directly by default it is giving us the basic structure that we need for this assignment. So list of hobbies is done, to list with indoor hobbies, outdoor hobbies is done, and yoga, word work, hunting and camping are done. So guys, I hope like we have done all the 5 assignments, and just enter a horizontal ruler for the next assignments also. So we have started from the first assignments, which is like welcome to Geeks for Geeks learning. We have created lists, then we have seen nested list. After that, the most important thing that we learned in this video is like about the type, style, list style type. Okay, so square, and then it was disk, this is circle, square, this is like lower Roman, which we used here, lower Roman, so this is lower Roman, and these are the like circle ones. So yeah, like I hope like this video is now nearly about 30 minutes. In 30 minutes we made all these things and learned about the basic concepts of lists in HTML and their basic styling containing list style types. Okay, so I hope like you might have learned at least something, or like might learned or revised your concepts through this video. So for the next video, like you can just like ask your doubts, or like just give us what we need to create next. And I hope like we will be meeting in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. And yeah, thank you guys. Tata, bye bye.